Website for remote jobs part 9. So the first site I'm going to talk about in this video is Upwork. So Upwork is just like Fiverr. I've talked about Fiverr in my previous video. So on here, you are going to get a lot of freelancing roles. So now let's scroll up here. You just need to create an account and I'm going to get access to a lot of roles here. So you can see if you are into development and IT, you're going to get a role. Creative, if you are into design, AI services, writing and transcribing, a lot. Any role of your choice, you are going to get some here, and then work and get money. So that's it for the first site. The second site is Google Careers. So on here, you are going to get roles from Google. So this is from Google. So remote eligible. When you hop on here, just select the remote eligible, and you're going to get all the remote jobs. So some of them require a lot of experience. Some of them are entry level. So I think you can use the filter here, come to the experience, and then you move to your early or intern and apprentice. Something like that. So if you have a lot of experience, you can go for the advanced and the mid. So this is very, very much advanced. That's why they are requiring 8 years. So now the third site I'm going to talk about in the video is X's search feature. So when you hop on your account, let me come back here. You're going to see this here, jobs. You tap on the jobs here. Role as a digital. Let me put digital there, and then let me add the United States, and now let me refresh, and you can see these are all the roles here. So a lot of roles like this. So that's it on remote website part 9. So on here, I'm going to get a lot of remote jobs here on Twitter. So you can even do this on your mobile phone if you're on Twitter. If you have Twitter on your mobile phone, you can do this and try and get a remote job there. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.